Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to switch themes in Canva. To switch themes in Canva, first of all, open your Canva application on your mobile device and log in. After you're signed in, go ahead and tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner. From the expanded menu, click on the name drop down at the top, and you will then be able to see available themes inside the theme tab. Choose the theme you want to switch to, and right after you tap on it, you will then be able to update your workspace that you've chosen. If you don't see the switch theme option, or if you cannot switch between themes, make sure you are a part of more than one theme and you have the necessary permissions for the theme that you've joined in. So that is how you can easily switch between themes in Canva in just a couple of steps. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.